This is Project Langeti, an E.C.D Custom 110. Langeti is finished in eggshell Keswick green with Nara bronze accents all round. One of our most unique looking vehicles to date. Langeti sits on our 18-inch sawtooth wheels, again finished in Nara bronze with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D110 features a Kahn front bumper with daytime running lights, 2 LED work lights in the rear and a bronze steering guard. Inside, Langeti features an Evander wood steering wheel with all-American gauges, two Recaro orthoped front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in a fine horizontal hand-tipped Irwin leather, stitched together in chocolate brown. This 110 is powered by the newest member of our family, the LT4. This is paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Langeti features modern elements such as Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth audio and access to numerous USB points. Every detail has been considered on this build, even down to the colour-matched Brembo brake calipers. Langeti is a truly stunning example of the new E.C.D signature build range, and I believe one of the best defenders available worldwide.